Okay, for this next problem, we have a different kind of situation where someone is working for and someone is working against. So the mom can put toys away faster than the boy can take them out. But if she's putting them away while he's taking them out, how long would it take for all of them to be put away? So her rate is 1 out of 3, meaning she can put all the toys away, one set of toys away in 3 minutes, and he can take them out one set of toys in 5 minutes. So their equation is 1 over 3 minus 1 over 5 equals 1 over x, because they're working against each other. So that's why instead of adding now, we're subtracting. So they're not both putting away the toys. He's taking them out, and she's putting them away. Another way you'll see this problem is with the drain in like a bathtub. Like if someone is filling up the water and someone is draining it at the same time, then how long would it take to fill it up? So we solved this one, the LCD, write the equation down, and then the LCD in this situation is 15x. So multiply everything through by 15x. Cancel what you can cancel. And I end up with 5x minus 3x equals 15. 2x equals 15. X is 7.5, meaning it will take this little boy and this mom, if he's taking toys out and she's putting them away, that it'll take in 7.5 minutes, she'll have put them away faster than he can take them out. So that's that problem. Okay, for this next one, we have a travel problem. I mean, we're driving somewhere. So first, we're going from Houston to San Antonio, and that's 250 miles. And then from San Antonio to Dallas, and that's 360 miles, and we knew that we're going 10 miles per hour faster. So whatever it is, we're going 10 miles an hour faster. So from Houston to San Antonio, we don't know that speed. But from San Antonio to Dallas, we know that it's 10 miles an hour faster. So that's where we get x and x plus 10. Okay, so our equation would be 250 over x, because that's distance over speed, plus 360 over x plus 10. And we know the total time is 11 hours. So our common denominator is, let's rewrite the problem, and then our common denominator is going to be x and x plus 10. So this is another one of those problems where you might want to pause it several times and figure out, kind of catch up and see where I am, and then check your answer, or even check with my answer key, or the answer key that has been posted. So cancel what can be canceled, and I'm kind of speeding this up a bit. Like I said, pause it as you need to, and then once you get your one long equation, it's just a lot of simplification from there, and that's basic algebra. So I multiplied everything at the top by 250 and 360. Did some some foiling. Just distributing on the right side, combining like terms. Okay, then I get this quadratic, 11x squared minus 500x minus 2,500. And I used my calculator, and I just graphed it. One of the points was negative, and one was positive, so I knew it had to be the positive one. So I knew that x was 50. And once again, like I said, I just at this point knew that my best option would be to graph on the calculator. Because that's such a big quadratic. So if you have questions on graphing on the calculator, then let me know. So it's 50 miles per hour from Houston to San Antonio, and then 60 miles per hour from San Antonio to Dallas. So that is that problem. Like I said, you might need to pause it if you want to go back and check some of the algebra. Okay, for this next problem, we are going to be looking at a speedboat. A boat driving in the, not a speedboat, it's only going very slow, but a boat in the river. And so we have, when it's going upstream, it's 6 kilometers, and so that means it's going against the current, so x minus 4. And then when it's going downstream, it's 12 kilometers, and that's x plus 4, okay? So plus and minus. And then these are going to be equal to each other. So, it looks like you maybe not be able to see it, but you might want to check your answers with my paper. So 6 and x plus 4 and 12 and x minus 4. And if you can't see do the work, the common denominator is x plus 4, x minus 4. I don't know if it's showing up on your video. And the answer is 12 kilometers per hour. So if you can't see the work on yours, you might check it on mine. But the answer is 12 kilometers per hour. Okay, and for the last problem for today, okay, so for this last problem, where a plane is going from New York to Chicago and back again. So it's 1,000 miles, and they go at a speed of 580 miles per hour on the way there. And on the way back, we just know that it's faster. So it has to be something more than 580 because of the tailwind. So, and we know the total time is 3.4 hours. So going is distance over time, so 1,000 over 580. And then on the way back, it's 1,000 over 580 plus x, meaning that I know that x is my tailwind. I'm going somewhat faster than I did on the way. So I'm having to add x in. So once again, this is a lot of big numbers. The equation is 1,000 over 580 plus 1,000 over 580 plus x equals 3.4 hours. The answer key is posted on Edmodo, so you might want to check there. I would try to work this by yourself first, and then, check with the answer key. But the answer is 17.7 miles per hour faster, so that's the tailwind, is 17.7 miles per hour. And so check the answer key, because like I said, it's a lot of work and big numbers. So good luck with that problem. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to y'all guys later.